All right, welcome everybody to today's video. And in today's video, I will show on how to add texture to image. Actually, somebody reached out to me, say make I show how to add texture to my image. Okay, and now waiting I will do today in this video. In just some few simple steps, you go learn how to add texture to your image. So the first thing you go do, as you see, I first rename this layer texture. Okay, so the next thing what I go do is I go duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J 2 times. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl J 2 times. Ctrl, that is CTRL plus J 2 times. Okay. So once I press Ctrl J 2 times, with the upper layer with the title texture copy tool, I go press Ctrl I to invert the layer. Ctrl I. So once you press Ctrl I, you go find out say the image look like this. No bother yourself. Just go to filter, come down to blur, and then surface blur. Okay. For this, I dey like use these values. My radius as 10, the threshold as 8. But you fit try any other number. Just play around and to see the outcome. Okay. Then I'll press OK to apply that value. Once I do that, I will come to my blend mode and I will change the blend option to vivid light. Now, once you change it to vivid light, you go see say you go add gray on top the image. Okay, gray on top the image. So the next thing you go do be say you go select this layer texture copy tool and the one where they under am, just hold shift and click on that one, texture copy and texture copy tool. Once you select both layer, you go group them together either by pressing keyboard shortcut Ctrl G or just click on this folder icon here to group them. Then you feel rename them texture or any name way you feel like to call them. Then the next thing you go do now to come back to this blend mode and change the blend mode to overlay. Once you change them to overlay, you go see say it don't add texture beautifully to your image. All you need to do just turn off visibility, turn back on the visibility, and see whether you like the level of texture. If you no like them, you fit drop the opacity down to a number wey you know say go dey cool and pleasing to your eye. For me, most times for my picture, I dey like use values between 30 to 40 or 50. But you get the creative power to decide whichever number you want. Okay? So in today's video, that's why I take the add texture to my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and tips. And if you would like to see any other tutorial, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Thank you once again until I see you next time. Love and light always.